የሶማሌ ክልል ወንጀለኛ እዚህ ጋር አለ። የሶማሌ ክልል ሊቀመንበር ፕሬዝዳንት አንተ የሶማሌ ደም ያለብህ ሌባ ምን አባክ ትሰራለህ እዚህ? What are you doing here? This guy is a genocide criminal. A criminal is right here. A criminal, genocide criminal. The Somali criminal. Somali people, young people are being killed by this guy.
Fuck you.
This guy. He's a criminal.
Fuck you.
He's a criminal.
Fuck you.
Security, call the police now. He's wanted in Sweden, in ICC.
Fuck you.
He's a genocide criminal, right here. He's a genocide criminal. He's wanted. Security, do not cooperate with him.
Hold on.
No, he's a criminal.
Hold on.
He's wanted in Sweden. ICC criminal. ICC criminal.
Hold on, brother.
No.
Hold
Look,
on.
please,
Hold
be
on,
careful.
please.
He's a criminal. He's a criminal. I'm telling you, my friend.
Hold on.
He killed lots of Ethiopians.
Hold on.
Fuck you.
Hold on. Get that shot. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me talk to you.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
He's a genocide criminal.
Hold on.
Right here.
No.
Right here.
Hey.
Okay. He's a criminal. Genocide criminal. I want you to call 911 right now. He's a criminal. He's wanted in ICC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lights up.
He's a criminal.
Turn this
Okay.
up. Lights up. No.
Okay.
Turn the phone up. Come here.